Hey there. Yep, I was made with Google Image FX. Pretty cool, right? It's a total game changer. With just a few prompts, I can become super realistic, turn into 3D, or even step into full animation. 1 minute I'm a photo, the next I'm moving like this, and looking good while at it. You can use it to bring your ideas to life. Characters, scenes, stories, even emotions, all in stunning detail. Whether it's for tutorials, content creation, storytelling, or just having fun, Google Image FX makes it possible. And the cool part, no watermark. Yep, it's 100% free to use. As you can see, I'm not just animated, I'm confident, creative, and totally in control. Buckle up, because this ride is just getting started.
In order to achieve these results, we will use ChatGPT. Alright, so open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Alright, this is what I told ChatGPT. I need beautiful images, okay, or beautiful images prompt for Google Image Effects. All right. Okay, so these are the description. These are the prompts it gave me. This is just only one prompt, so I added some other ones. All right, I added some other ones. So these are the ones I added. All right, if you need it, I'll drop it in the description. All right, I'll drop the prompt. So this is the one, the first one, Jesus and the Little Children. This one is animated, heavenly worship, guardian angel, etc. So I didn't actually want this one, though I will choose the first one. I will select it and highlight it and copy. Then let's move over to our Chrome browser. Okay, move over to our Chrome browser. So I have to go back to show you how Google Image FS looks like. Alright, just type Google Image FS. I know that a lot of things will be displayed here. So this is the one we are using. This is the one we are working with. Any other thing, don't click on it. Okay. So this is a normal Google Image FS. So the next thing you'll see there is this whisk. All right, so just click on it, that yellow icon, just click on it, then you select all right. So this is how the interface looks like. I just want to scroll down to show you how it looks like. All right, just the whisk. Select the enter tool. All right, if you select the enter tool, so this is the next. Select get started and continue. All right, so if you see below there, that is where to type in your prompt. All right, so you type in your prompt there. I'll have to maximize it so that you see it very well. Okay, you will see describe your idea or roll dice for your prompt idea. So select just click there and press to your prompt. All right, so this is my prompt. All right, so if you want to add a pizza 3D animation, you can still add it. After that, you just click on the arrow icon. So that wasn't actually the image I wanted to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to achieve the one I used for my intro. All right, I said I told ChatGPT that I want a pizza real image of a girl riding a car with her dog inside on glasses. All right. So I added she's a 15 years old girl. So this is the image description of what I wanted. All right, all I have to do is to select it, and all you have to do is select it and you copy it. All right, if you select it, you copy it, then you go back, and this is the option where you press your prompt. All I have to do is to highlight all the prompt here. If I highlight all of them, then I'll press my main prompt. So the image is loading. The one that is being displayed there is the 3D animated one I tried out. All right, so this is it. This is the result. It looks so real, like it looks so real, and the images, they are so beautiful. They are so beautiful. All right, so try it out. Okay, if you need the description, I will drop it below. And one beautiful thing about Google Image FX is that you can still animate your images here. You can animate them here, and the good news is there is no watermark at all. Okay, in order to save it, just tap on it. All right, long press on it a little bit. It can be funny sometimes, so if you just long press on it, you will see animate, and download is also there. All right, most times it can shift to another thing that you don't want, so just long press on it. So my work is downloading. You see where there is a download icon there. That is where you download your work. Then you still see animate. Animate is also there. You animate your work there. All right, you will see where it is boldly written animate when you long press on it. So if you select anyone you want to animate, just select it like this one. Now this will appear. You type the prompt or you want your character to display. If you want your character to talk, if you want it to drive, if you want it to move her head, whatever thing you want your character to do, it will do that. So this is what I'm typing. I told Image FX make her talk and drive. All right, so after that, you see that this icon, you select it, so it is animating. You have to exercise patience as well. All right, so once it's done, once it's up to 100, then our video is ready. Once it's done, our video is ready. Once it's done loading, all you need to do
Our
is
animated
to
video is ready.
click on it.
Alright,
You
so
see
this is
that
what you do. Just
play button there. That's where you click on it. All right, you will see it moving. As you can see, it's moving, and there are some options there where you can download it. All right, so you can download it there. So that is how to create your images with Google Image FX and animate them. You can try any image you have in mind with ChatGPT, then you press it here. So it has options where to change the aspect ratio. It has different options, and the best thing is that you can still upload your images here too. You can upload your images. You see an option where to add image. You add the image, you add the scene, and every other thing. All right, so this This Google image effects is so beautiful and I love it. I love it. I really commend them for this. It's beautiful. I want to create this 3D animation and just go back to ChatGPT and copy this one. I've pressed it already and it has generated this one for me. Actually, I wanted it to run while the lion is chasing her. Unfortunately, the running was not doing justice to it. I told image effects she's running for her life along with her dog, and the lion was chasing her. So the outcome wasn't that pleasant. I would have retried it, but I'm animating it now. The outcome wasn't that pleasant. So you can try any image of your choice. You can try. All right. They give out free coins, and when it's exhausted, you can as well change your emails in order to get more coins. One thing I love about it is that there is no watermark. There is no watermark. It's a clean work. You don't need a watermark on this. It's pure accessible. All right, let me play it. Are you seeing the lady is she's not moving the way I want her to move. I want her to run. I want her to run for her dear life. Look at how she's running. So I don't know where the problem comes from. So I'll have to redo it. Okay, so just try it out and show me your result. What do you think about it? Do you love it? Try it out, okay? These are some of the images I generated with image effects, Google image effects. These are some of the images, and I love it. The quality, the background is so real and beautiful. All right, so you can, if you need any of the prompts, just let me know in the comment section. All right,
Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to use Google Image FX and bring your animations to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hey, tap that notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.